What's up, guys? Today we're going to be taking off the front bumper and checking out the core support, how bad the radiator and condenser is damaged, and see how bad this bumper is. My brother already seen that some tabs are already broken off, so we're going to get started. What you want to do first is jack this whole thing up. You want to jack it up? You want to jack this thing up. Put it right there where the core support and cross member come together. That's the strong part of the car right there. We're going to lift it up as high as we can so that we have room to get underneath. Check it out. We're gonna put jack stands, so we don't want to die today. We can put it right there where the cross member is, right beside the big bolts. Or we can raise it up some more and put it underneath the frame. It has to go up a little bit more on this side anyway. Either way, make sure you have it at the same spot on both sides. And just lower it slowly. Now we're going to take the bumper off. Brought some of my tools over to work. Guys, just take out the 10 bolts, 10mm bolts. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts. We're going to take all of them out. That's why it's bolted up to the core support. Take all of them out. Got 3 and we got 1 more here. But we're going to take this one out. That one's already broke. And go to the side. It's going to be a 10 or a Phillips head screw. There's that one. Take off this 2 screws right there. Then we still got 10s at the bottom. We got some bolts all the way throughout the bottom. If the core support wasn't hurt, we'll have at least 5 10mm bolts. But since it's hurt, we lost some. I think the splash shield got broken off, the engine shield, so I'm just gonna take off what we can. This one there, and that's it. One, and the other screw on the side where the fender bolts up to it. And this one's a 10. The other side had a Phillips head in the middle. That's it. Make sure we unplug the lights. We can either unhook it or unplug it. Slide the bumper off. See, unplug that thing. Oh, I missed one down here. Y'all a bucket, a cup, or anything to put the bolts in. That way y'all don't lose it. That's the hardest thing to do. There we go. This thing has fog lights. They do not work, so we're gonna have to see what's wrong with them. Maybe the bulb exploded in there, or maybe it wasn't wired right, but we'll take a look at that another day. But yeah, that's how quick and easy you can get the bumper off. So you can see it has to be replaced. There ain't no repairing that. I mean, you could repair it, but it ain't gonna hold. So it's best to just replace it. And let's take a look at this course report. Whew. This thing's pushed back. Yeah, I can see where the condenser is all bent. I think just that side is pretty damaged, but the condenser is, and the lower tie bar is supposed to be like that, I believe. I will get online and do some research, but if I'm not mistaken, that is how it's supposed to be. Alright, you can pause it. Okay, so I took the upper tie bar off. This is what is considered to be the upper tie bar on a car. Some are bolted on. Most Toyotas, Kias, Hyundais are bolted on. Some are plastic. This one's metal and it's bolted on. So I was able to loosen 10mm bolts all across. It had 2 on each side. And the hood latch was being held on by that. The reservoir, the condenser, all of that was being held on by 10mm bolts, and we took all that off. So now we got a clear view inside. And can you move that back a little bit? You can see how the radiator is bent in there. It looks like it almost has a hole, almost pretty much down there. But we're gonna replace that. The condenser, since the AC still works, we're gonna try to straighten that out. Hopefully I won't make a hole when I straighten it out. If I don't, we're gonna reuse it. The lower tie bar where the light is flashing across, that's what the lower tie bar is. Doesn't look too damaged, just right there on the ends, but that's an easy fix. A little quick pull, a little black paint should solve that, so that's no big deal. But yeah, it's not as bad as I thought. I thought the whole lower core support was pushed back, but no, that's the way it's made, the way it got hit. The whole condenser, radiator, fan shroud got pushed back, but none of that looks broken. Still looks alright. So we're gonna have a radiator coming within the next week, and we'll install that thing on and do a flush, an oil change, and see if we can fix them fog lights. We're gonna have a bumper coming soon. So that thing looks jacked up. I wouldn't want to put that thing back on. I might be driving it without a bumper for a bit. So, until I give it back to my brother. This is his car. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe and like our videos. Follow us on Facebook, JO Mods. Thanks for watching.